Hey everyone, I wanted to do a little bit of a different video talking about my favorite products that I found in 2020 and what I will be continuing to use into the new year religiously. Okay, so the first product is this Murad Environmental Shield Vitamin C Serum. This is amazing if you have any acne scars or age spots. This truly lightens. It has a very high percentage of hydroquinone for over-the-counter, which really works wonders. Next, these two Truly products really work wonders. I was so impressed because they actually do what they say they're going to do. I also use them on different areas like my stomach, my thighs, and my legs, and they're amazing. This is a must-have product for blondes. I don't like using purple shampoo, but I'll use this, and it really cancels out any yellow. It helps with shine and moisture, and also if you want to use it on dry hair and you have some flyaways, this really tames them down. I actually like to use this on a daily basis when I style my hair. Okay, I love Ilia, especially during quarantine. It really gave my skin a break from heavy makeup. Their Super Serum Skin Tint is perfect for just everyday use. You don't have to feel guilty, it won't clog your pores, and the multi-stick is stunning and great for a healthy glow. Next, this Batiste Dry Shampoo is a staple in my everyday routine even before last year. It's super powdery, so I use it even on clean hair because it gives me amazing volume and body, and it's super affordable, so I don't have to feel guilty about buying 5 at a time. This is the most amazing product for volume, especially if you have fine hair. I found this at the first salon I ever worked at. I put it in my roots when my hair is damp and I blow dry it upside down, and it makes a huge difference. Literally cannot say enough good things about this product. They've changed the packaging over the years, but it's still amazing. I discovered Dossier or Dossier, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I discovered them last year, and they make luxury-inspired scents at half the price. And honestly, this is the best perfume I've ever tried. It smells so good. I get so many compliments, and it lasts on me, which is an issue I've always had with perfume, so definitely will repurchase. Another one of my favorite products is this Sand and Sky Clay Mask. This is amazing if you have acne scars or any blackheads. This really does the trick. I struggle with both of those skin issues, and I love this product. It's a little pricey for the size, but it's completely worth it. I don't even question if I'm gonna buy it. I just keep repurchasing it. A lot of hair oils are more or less the same, but this Oribe Gold Lust is really a nice consistency. It penetrates the hair, it leaves it shiny, healthy. It's definitely a must if you're trying to repair like I am because I have blonde. Just go buy it, it's amazing. Okay, and there you have it, my favorite products I'll be going into 2021 with. Thanks for watching.